Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into the golden arches and uncovering the secret sauce behind McDonald's incredible success. So, grab your favorite snack and let's get started. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. From its humble beginnings as a small burger joint to becoming a global fast food giant, McDonald's has undeniably left a mark on the world. One of the key factors that make McDonald's a roaring success is its unwavering consistency. Whether you are in New York or Tokyo, you know exactly what you are getting when you order a Big Mac. That iconic taste, those familiar golden fries, it's a comfort zone for millions of people worldwide. And you know what's amazing? Behind the scenes, McDonald's has mastered the art of streamlining its processes. From their kitchen layout to their precise cooking times, every detail is meticulously designed for efficiency and quality. Now, it's not all about sticking to tradition. McDonald's isn't afraid to embrace change. Remember the introduce of the McCafe line. It's a prime example of how they innovated and tapped into the coffee culture trend. And let's talk about convenience. The drive-through concept was a game changer. McDonald's realized the importance of adapting to customers' busy lifestyles, and their drive-through window has become synonymous with fast and easy dining. But what's success without effective branding and marketing? McDonald's knows how to play the game. From Ronald McDonald to catchy jingles, they have created a brand that's etched into our memories. And let's not forget about the kids. The Happy Meal and those colorful play places. Pure genius. It's not just a meal, it's an experience that keeps families coming back. Alright, here's the big one, global expansion. McDonald's has successfully adapted its menu to local taste around the world. Whether it's a McSpicy Paneer in India or a teriyaki burger in Japan, they know how to win hearts everywhere. And here's a fun fact. Did you know that McDonald's operates in over 100 countries? That's a staggering reach that very few brands can match. So, there you have it, folks. McDonald's success isn't just about burgers and fries. It's about consistency, innovation, branding, and a global appeal that resonates with people from all walks of life. Thanks for joining me on this journey to uncover what makes McDonald's the colossal success it is today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delicious content, and let me know in the comments what you want to explore next. Until then, stay hungry and stay curious. Bye for now.